Welcome to a Mechanic Desk feature update. And today, what we're actually going to be looking at is two new features that we've added into the system. Our first being the Slack integration, and the next being the notification system in Mechanic Desk. Now, for this, you're going to need to be in the new user interface, as these are only in the new user interface. And just note as well that these are the beginnings of these particular features. So we do have plans to add more to these in a new update coming later on with an advanced automation update. So first, let's get the Slack integration set up. So we want to go over to settings at the top, then to the integrations, and then down here to communications in this new section here. From there, we want to click add to Slack, which is the Slack integration here. And then we want to type in our workspace. Now, you do need to have an existing Slack workspace for this actual integration to work. So what we're going to do is we're going to set that up there. Once you've signed in, you'll get this screen here to essentially install the integration into that workspace. You click Install Mechanic Desk, and that has now linked that particular Slack workspace to your Mechanic Desk. Now, what it'll do, it'll bring up all your employees in Mechanic Desk, and then you can link those with a particular Slack member within the Slack account. And then you can select this and you can refresh to load in the new Slack members as you do add them in. Now, the next option is the notification system. So where we'll find that is under Workshop Details and Notifications. Now within here, we can set up how we receive a number of different notifications. So for example, our first one here, booking requests. How do we want to receive those? We have the option for SMS, email, or also Slack. Now what Slack will do is it'll allow you to select a specific channel within your Slack workspace. So when you do get a booking request, it'll push through a notification to there. Now alternatively, you can select SMS or email and set the destination and make it active, but we will just pop that into the Slack channel there. And we have a number of other options within here. So whenever a courtesy vehicle booking is signed, whenever you get signatures for emails or invoice. Same with payment requests through the till integration. When that gets approved, that'll go through wherever you've defined it within here. Same for quote acceptance and quote signatures. So if you do have like a service advisor sending out quotes, you can have those acceptances sent through directly to them. But that's all we have for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to the blog, and we'll have some more updates coming out soon.